Hello, this is Marcos Sarris again. This is the first video of our GoFabric tutorial. We have just deployed our data sharing network for simulating a national ID card. And right now, all the artifacts are ready to use. Each VM that of each organization have right now installed a REST API. We can see it right here. For each of them, or for each IP, I can access, have a REST API wrap and ready to use. But we will not use this REST API. We are going to use the web front end, the web interface that connects to the web API, that connects to the data sharing networks. It's going to be easier for us. It's ready to use on each VM on port 8080. This one right here is the IP that reaches the organizations of the Social Security Administration, okay, SSA. Right now, let me just connect. Right, this IP is the one that connects to the VM for the US Department of State, and the last IP, the IP terminating on 96, it's the front end that connects to the Florida Highway Safety. Right now, so let's create a digital asset that is going to be shared and synchronized among all the organizations right here. The primary key for our digital asset is the that we have right here is the social security number. So we're going to, and only Social Security Administration can create this asset. And so let's create it so far. All right, let's make the first name John, last name is Smith. Let's make the social security number 1. Okay, so we have just created our first digital asset, and this digital asset has been synchronized among all organizations. All of them have the same information that we have right now. Let's reach, for an example, the organization Department of State. Let's list all they have there, and that's it. They already have synchronized with the digital asset, the information that had been created on the VM of the Social Security Administration. And the same happens Florida Highway Safety. We have already the same information. So let's modify this information. Let's go here to the US Department of State and provide another information that is the passport. Let's create a passport A1, and that's it. After that, as I said, all the other organization reach and have the same information. Let's go back to this Social Security Administration VM here, and when the list we already have the information that John Smith have the passport A1, and the same if we go to the VM that identifies for the highway safety. We just reload it, and we have here the passport changing. Let's create another information, the driver's license. Let's call it D1. All right, so right now we have changed it. Let's see if it's already synchronized, and we can see that now we have a complete identification card for John Smith with Social Security number 1, passport A1, and driver's license D1. We can see it also on the organizations of the SSA. Let's just reload it, and we have the same information. Here we can check not only the complete information, but all the history of it. Right now I'm reaching all the information that have been modified. For an example, I can see that for each timestamp, the different assets, the assets history that have been created and modified a long time. Let's, for an example, go there at the U.S. Department of State and make a simple change. Let's change this passport and say now it's a 2. And John Smith, let's add another another information. Let's say John Smith, sorry, Stevens. Okay. Now, as I say, this information has been changed. Whenever I go now, I can see that his name had changed in all the other organizations. And if I go here and see the history, I can see all the changes from the creation to the last change of this asset, so I can identify a card, a personal card with a unique and trustful information for among several organizations. Here at the monitoring at GoFabric deploy, if you are curious, you can see the technology that we use, that is the blockchain, and you can see the blocks here at monitoring and explorer. You can see all the blocks that has been created and something like so we can gather all the information necessary for it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will show how to increase this data sharing network.